Hello and welcome back to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea, Great British Marine Life series. Today I'm going to be talking about the strawberry anemone, Actinia fragacea. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new about this interesting species. If you do, make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you aren't already, subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. Thank you very much and enjoy. The strawberry anemone is so called because its red body with green spots resembling a strawberry. It looks even more like a strawberry when its tentacles are retracted at low tide. It has a short stocky body which can grow to around 10 centimeters in diameter, large for an anemone. They attach their body to rocks and use their stinging tentacles, which are usually red or purplish, to catch their prey, which is things such as prawns, small fish and sea snails. They are found all around the coast of the UK in depths of up to 8 to 10 metres. Strawberry anemones are highly territorial. They have a ring of beads under their tentacles known as acorahae that are full of stinging cells. They use these to defend themselves against other anemones and fight them off from their patch. The shape and form of the strawberry anemone is similar to that of the beadlet anemone. However, the strawberry anemone is larger and has spots. Strawberry anemones used to be classified as a different colour of beadlet, but they are now classified as their own species. Another difference between the beadlet and the strawberry anemone is that unlike the beadlet, the strawberry anemone does not appear to brood its young. They have not yet been assessed for the IUCN Red List. To learn more about the IUCN Red List, click the link up top. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the strawberry anemone.